How fare thee, scallywags? My harebrained navigator has drawn yet another work of splot. Are you hungry, blabbers?
I am indeed, Cappy Poo. Pull over to the nearest fine dinery, and my hair is not brainy.
Sure. In fact, there it is now. Just a short walk off that plank.
Ha ha ha. Nice try, Patch-Eye Punk. Next devotion while I sneak a snack.
No need to sneak a smack. I got plenty for you. Devotion 46. Samuel continued to grow up in the house of the Lord. As he grew, God had this to say of him. 1 Samuel 2:26. And the child Samuel grew on, and was in favor both with the Lord and also with men. Samuel behaved himself in such a way that both God and man had a high regard for him. The significant thing about that is the fact that he did so in the midst of horrible wickedness. The other kids in the youth group were fornicating right there in the house of God, abusing other worshippers, taking what did not belong to them, and their father just shrugged his shoulders and did nothing. Samuel was not godly because of the crowd around him. He was godly in spite of the crowd around him. Oftentimes, people make excuses for their behavior, and those excuses can be encapsulated in the phrase, "That's just the way things are now." Samuel did not care how things were. He only cared about how things were supposed to be. Do determine, young or old, to live right before God and man, no matter what anyone or everyone else around you is doing. People have to be reminded of the names Hophni and Phineas, but people today are still naming their boys Samuel.
Good lesson. Even if I work for a crooked captain, I should steer straight.
About time, ye cross-eyed freak. Going in circles was getting old. Until next time, ye heathen, have a blessed day.